What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy, a Geek. I'm trying to become a travel journalist, so I'm trying to build my mind into travel writing. And then I find this anywhere travel guide. This is like a card game. You ask the question or something like that, or maybe I'm not sure. Or maybe this is like a card when you travel, you carry with you and just pick up a random card and do something. I'm not sure. Let's okay, that link is in the description box below. Okay, here we go. So there are 75 cards. It's quite lightweight overall. Okay, let me just put something like here. Whisper a secret in wind. Can you see? Whisper a secret in wind. Follow it as fly. Remember, forget. Send this card to someone who would love this place. Wow. Write your own instruction. Ask someone to draw you a map to a destination of their choice. Observe silence today. Try to stay silent. Possible, do things quietly. Notice how. Okay. Walk down a street in a straight way. I mean, I will say if you're traveling, just pick up a random card and then follow the instruction. Think about a person who inspired you. Wear an outfit as tribute to him or her. Notice things changes over time. Temperature rising or falling, cloud moving, the city walking. Okay, I mean, overall I'm quite liking it and it's quite nice. I mean, the anywhere travel card, again, no one send me. I'm doing this review by myself. Find a quest. I mean, yeah, follow a map, because even this one will help me travel writing. Try to find a new story. I think 10 out of 10. I'm quite impressed with it. I'm not going to show you a whole. Definitely there are 75. Discover a sound you haven't noticed before. Listen to it. Let it affect your feet. I think 75. I think once you are done, you do not need to put inside, shovel inside. You need to put separately because they're 75. So basically it means I can easily get around 75 articles from one country in one city. I'm really very much happy. I think so. These are must buy. The link is in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe and buy.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي